Welcome back to Taslima My Art. I'm Taz, thank you for being here, and today I'll be unboxing and reviewing some amazing diamond art products from a company called Feelook Art online. If you're into mindfulness and art therapy, check out the sheer variety of the DIY diamond painting kits and 9 categories to choose from. You can get a 10% discount using my code Taslima10 and an additional 20% off this summer sale which ends on July the 15th. Feelook have painting kits for almost every interest, going from animals to holidays and celebrations, flowers and floral, love and romance, mystical and fantasy, religious or spiritual, nature and landscape, ocean and beach, and even famous artists. And you can also pick up accessories online, so check out www.feelookart.com. So if you like arts and crafts and a little bit of sparkle in your life, these kits are for you. Today I'm reviewing the Feelook Diamond Art Painting Kit, the Lakeside edition, and this is a super calming and super beautiful scenery, and it's printed on canvas. It's my first time actually trying a Feelook kit, so I'll walk you through what's inside and what I liked and what could be better if I think it's worth your time and money. Hi everyone, I've just had this package arrive. I just wanted to show you it. This is from a company called Feelook, and they sparkle up your life, as the catchline says here. And this is a diamond DIY craft, diamond art painting, relaxing craft, and it's if you look at the image here, it's called Brdge that they've sent me, which is fabulous. It's an all-inclusive diamond facet art kit, and it's something that I thought my children would love as well, so they could have a go at this. So I'm gonna bring them in a minute and they can unbox it for you and show you the contents.
Diamond art.
Yeah. What do you think, girls?
Yes.
Do you like diamond art?
Yeah.
Do you want to have a go at this?
Yes. Yeah. And
Right.
Rocky also.
Rocky wants to have a go?
Yeah, I made him. I painted a rock and glued googly eyes on him, and I named him Rocky.
Fabulous. Let's get Rocky to help out
I
as
wanted
well.
to make him a sister and a family.
Okay, let's put Rocky back in. Let's open the box up. Right, who wants to have a go?
Me.
Okay, let's do it there. There you go, open the box up. Oh, I just noticed the back as well.
Can Rocky do it?
Yeah, of course. Right, should we test it all out?
Yes!
Wow, look at that. Is that everything in the box? I think so, yeah. So
Yeah.
open this up if you can. There's the top. Okay. Gently do it. I think you have got diamonds.
Wow!
Wow, look at that. It looks cool. Should we open it up and see?
Yeah, but move there.
Yeah, let's pop it down here so we can see what...
Wow! A giant piece of paper.
Wow, look at this. I've not seen one like this before.
It's a pizza.
And it's on canvas paper.
Giant pizza.
Look what it's on. Feel that.
Wow.
And it's very thick and nice quality, isn't it?
Yeah.
Look at all the letters. Can you see what letters are on there?
Star. A.
Okay, let's see what else we have here. Alright, girls. So, okay, so I can see that's the packet with all of the different little stones in there. Are they called stones? All the little sparkles in there. So we've got all of these. We can open that up in a moment. And we've also got some details. So it says, a few years ago, by chance, I discovered sparkling diamonds. As a cross-stitch handicraft enthusiast, I realised that the diamond form would be very effective when applied to cross-stitch. Then I created a demo diamond painting, and the result fascinated me. Inspired by this, I wanted to share this unique art form. Feelook founder Athena. Okay, so we've got high precision soft fabric, environmental glue, plenty of diamonds, complete colourful printing, pure diamond colour, and green, healthy and environmentally friendly. We've got some instructions on the back which you can see. So the kit contents has a printed canvas which we just saw here, some diamonds which we can see here, lots of different colours there, yeah. And we've also got stylus and grip. Who can find the stylus and grip, guys?
What's the stylus and grip?
It's those pens that they have. Look, so this is what it looks like in a pack. Can we open that up, darling?
Yeah.
And a tray. We also have some wax, or 2 wax pieces, which is in the heart shape, resealable baggies, and toolkit pouch, okay, which is that. So what we do is we peel back the protective film from the first area. Locate the symbol number on the key on the side of the design. I'll just show you the key here by bringing it up to the camera. So that's the key. You can see all the keys, the colour charts. And then we identify the diamond packet with that shade number. So all the packets have got numbers on them, as you can see. And open the tool pack, press the head of the stylus into the wax. And then we use the stylus to stick the diamond face up. Place the diamond cover the symbol. Place the diamond cover the symbol in fabric. Okay, so that's what we do. We already know how to use this, though.
We only have tweezers.
Oh, we need to pick them up sometimes. And where's the stylus?
Nothing else in there.
That's
it is.
Yes. Well, you missed that because it's almost see-through.
Yeah.
You can almost miss that.
What's this thing?
So that's the whole picture. It's quite big. Can barely fit it in the camera. Let's see the pen. So what are you doing now, sweetheart? Do it on the camera so they can see what you're doing.
Look.
That's fabulous.
I put this pink thing on it.
Oh, did you?
Yeah. Wax.
Wax. Yeah. Wax.
It's a hat.
What's this one? I'm not sure what that is. So, and we've got lots of little pouch bags so we can put these into there. So let's open this one actually. Are you looking forward to doing this?
Yeah.
Oh my goodness. How long do you think it's going to take you?
100 days.
100 days? Well, there are quite a lot of colours. 2 days?
Yeah. 100 days.
You're going to take 100 days. She's going to take 2 days. Wow. We've got the letter and numbers as well, which is great. Wow. So should we get started? Which colour would you want first? We'll give it a go.
Blue. P.
Pick a letter and then we find the letter in here. Z. Who can find Z on these then? Let me see. Z is up here, is it? Let's have a look how to do this.
Is this?
So have a look for Z here. Look, there it is. Look, 8Z334. So can we find 8Z334?
8Z334. 54!
Yeah, you found it!
And these are the waxes! Yeah, that's my heart!
Okay, let's open this up. I'm going to probably cut this because I can't pull it apart. So Mummy's just cutting these off. There we go. And we need to get the tray and put some of these in the tray. Would anyone like to?
Me!
There you go, pour it in a little bit. Don't get it everywhere.
To the tray. Me, give it to the tray.
Into the tray, sweethearts.
Me
Let's
too.
pop this back.
Here. Easy pal. Sorry. Okay.
So to summarise, inside the box we have the pre-printed canvas with a lakeside design, a full set of resin diamonds which are clearly labelled, a diamond tray, the pen tool with wax, the tweezers and some instructions. Right off the bat, I love how organised the diamond packets are. Each one has the code printed right on it, which saves a ton of guesswork. And the canvas itself has a protective film and seems to have a strong adhesive, so there's no complaints there.
It's one pen.
Is that enough?
Yes!
Okay, so let's move all these out the way. Make a start.
Where is the tweezer thing? Where?
So, let's get the stylus and let's get the wax right next. So let's peel off the... There we go, we peel that off. And let's get some wax onto your stylus, my darling.
What's a stylus?
It's that pen.
Here?
Yep, anyway, keep doing it until there's enough in there. That's probably enough, yeah, if it stopped. Okay, now pick up a piece of diamond. Ready? And Sarah, would you like to have a go next?
Yeah. Come on.
Have you got one, Sarah?
Yeah.
Good girl.
Lift this up.
Teach her what to do.
Put it on the zip.
Put it straight down on the zip and keep it straight. Otherwise it won't go stick on.
Oh no, baby Saki.
Did you do it?
A small tap.
Well done. Another one, please. Just keep doing them, sweetie.
So as you can see, these are perfect for children as well as adults for art therapy and relaxation. My 6-year-old is actually teaching my 4-year-old how to do this, and I'm giving some instruction as well, and she's learning how to do this. And yeah, my 6-year-old loves diamond painting, so she's used to doing it, and it's something that keeps them occupied for hours. I also love that the colours are very vibrant on the canvas even before adding the diamonds, and the rendering of the lakeside design, the lake bridge design, is soft and detailed, but it almost feels like painting by numbers just with sparkles. Now the price may be a sticking point, but at the moment there's a 10% discount with my discount code Taslima10, or you can also go for the summer sale, which is another additional 20% off these designs, so it's well worth purchasing now.
Well done.
That looks really good. But even a 6-year-old can do it. How old are you, Safi?
6.
Wow, and you can do this really easily. And what do you think of it? Is it fun or not?
Fun.
Why is it fun?
It's relaxing.
It's relaxing?
Yeah.
Wow, but it's quite big though. Aren't you feeling a bit like it's a big challenge?
No.
It looks amazing already, my darling. You're doing such a good job. Look how many you've already put down. That's like loads. And it's easy to pick them up or not?
Yeah. It's super easy to pick it up. Just a couple of taps once you've done it.
Good girl.
This is how you do it. So first pick it up, put it on the Z and tap it a couple times.
Good girl.
So it stays there. But if it doesn't stick, get more wax.
Okay. Would Sarah like to have a go? Because she's 4 and I want to see if a 4-year-old can do it.
Okay. Here, Sarah.
Sarah, your turn, darling. Let's see if you can do it, my sweetheart. I think you can. You've done it before, haven't you? On holiday. On the Z. Good girl. Amazing. Again? You can do the whole painting by the end of the week. You can pick it up though again if it doesn't work. Use your fingers just to pick it up. Yep, and just move it around. Okay, if you make a mistake it doesn't matter, does it? You can do it again. Well done. That's it, and find the right Z. Find a Z anyway. Oh, it's okay, my darling. Let's try it again. Maybe you need more wax, baby. She needs more wax. You can do it. We're rooting for you. We're rooting for you. You did it! Hooray!
Do more here. I can hold this, Mum.
Okay. Hooray! I'm so proud of you two.
Sarah, first do this lot, and then do that lot, and then this lot, and then I'll keep unwrapping it for you.
Yay! That's looking amazing. Well, the kids are going to finish this off for me then, by the end of the week, and we'll see how we get on. Bye for now. Say bye, girls.
Bye bye.
So we are going to work on this activity over a few evenings as a family, just doing a section at a time. In terms of this particular product from Feelook, I would say that the symbols on the canvas are super clear, so there's no real straining of my eyes, which can be a problem sometimes. And the diamonds are uniform in size, which makes the finished piece look really smooth. The glue holds each of the pieces well and lets you adjust them as well as needed, as you saw Sarah do earlier. And I didn't run out of any colours, and there were lots and lots of extras. So this project is perfect if you like mindful, relaxing crafts. You just pop in a podcast or Netflix and zone out, and it's very, very calming. I'm thinking this is likely to take about 10 to 12 hours in total, done over a few days, and it's definitely beginner friendly and also satisfying for experienced diamond painters. Because I'm running out of time to post this video because of the sale that's on now, I'm going to post a picture of the finished piece in my community tab soon, and you'll be able to see how it catches the light and how that lake turned out amazing with its reflections. In terms of reviewing the product, the pros are that it's clear and beautiful canvas, and it's great sparkle, easy to read symbols and quality tools included, and plenty of extra diamonds. The cons are that there's no frame included, but that's typical at this price point. I think it's perfect for beginners as it's super approachable, and any diamond art lovers looking for a relaxing project. It's also perfect for people shopping for creative gifts, or anyone who just needs a break from their phone and wants a little sparkle therapy. Thank you for watching, and find the discount codes down below. Oh, and don't forget, every Saturday at 5 PM EST, 10 PM UK, I have a collaboration called the Creative Art Collective. So do join us for some great art and some fun in the live chat.